Hey, it's Bridget with Sleepopolis, and today we are here at the 3Z factory in Phoenix, Arizona with 3Z's CEO, John Merwin.
Yes, thank you for being here. We're excited to have you. And today we're going to show you how we make our Helix Midnight.
Let's go.
Let's go.
The 3Z factory is a whopping 650,000 square feet with almost every component of the mattress manufactured in-house. The Helix Midnight is Helix's most popular model out of its expansive mattress line. That's because it offers a medium feel that works well for all kinds of sleepers. So how is it made? Sewing is a big part of this process. Now you can see this Midnight side panel has already been heat pressed. Next step is sewing the cover. Depending on the piece of fabric, a machine, small or massive, does the sewing in a close hands-on process. Along with a thin barrier to hold all the pieces in place, the side, top, and bottom panels of the mattress are all sewn together to create the outer shell of the Helix Midnight. But of course, what's inside matters a lot here. And for the Midnight, that's foam and coils. The coils begin as wires that are twisted into springs, as you can see in this machine. They come out of that machine looking like this, nice and pocketed. Then they go through another machine to end up like that, a full coil layer. Along with the coils, the Helix Midnight has 2 layers of foams on top and 1 on the very bottom. Helix buys some foams from other places, but also has a foam machine of its own. The chemical mixtures are poured into this contraption, turning it into foam in roughly 7.5 minutes. So what was liquid just a few minutes ago now looks like this, and the foam is coming. Once the threads have been sewn, the springs have sprung, and the foams have formed, the workers put all the pieces together, stacking the mattress layers for comfort and sewing the cover around the bed. And this is where the mattresses get pressed, sealed, rolled up, wrapped, boxed, and shipped to you. And then once you unbox it at home, it will look like this. A big thanks to 3Z for taking us around their factory today. Hopefully you enjoyed the trip too. If you want to learn more about this mattress or any others, just head over to sleepopolis.com. But be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Bye.